Zoom shares down about 5% in after-hours trade after the company announced third-quarter earnings, despite beating on revenue and EPS. Joining us now, RISIHI JALURIA, Senior Research Analyst at DA Davidson. RISIHI, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. What's your first take on these numbers, which seem pretty strong? I guess just a reflection of how strong the share price has been year to date.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. Look, this does feel the aftermarket move does feel like a little bit of an overreaction. There's really not much to pick at in the print. The numbers were really good, especially large customer momentum, right? Six-figure customers. They added a record amount. Actually, they added more six-figure customers this quarter than in all of last year. I think exactly like you alluded to, it's just a combination of the shares have outperformed and maybe expectations were a little high. Maybe there's some worry about gross margins, which were impacted by just the amount of usage from education, especially K through 12 in Q3. But it does also look like a buying opportunity to me.
A buying opportunity, but then how do you factor in a vaccine and what that's going to mean for Zoom's business and for this multiple?
Yeah, I think it's a great question. And that's, I do a lot of kind of thought process along what does the future of work look like. And the thing for me is Zoom feels like it's getting sustainable benefits, right? The way that we work, I think, will not go back to normal even post-vaccine. And I'm very optimistic on the prospects for a return to normal by summer of next year. But I think, given that people have, adjusted to even a hybrid work strategy, Zoom enables that. You think about, businesses who are saving money on especially business travel, and there's opportunities to use Zoom and, do that. And at the same time, I think as offices reopen, there's actually a nice replacement opportunity for businesses to unplug some legacy systems like Cisco WebEx, especially in those meeting rooms, and modernize and bring it to Zoom. So I think these benefits are going to be sustained even in a post-pandemic world.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.